Basic steps for connecting PVC-U water-supplied pipe with glue. One. Prepare materials and tools. PVC-U water-supplied pipe, PVC-U glue, PVC-U coupling, tape measure, marking pen, file, dry cloth. 2. Connecting step. 1. Observe whether accessories and pipes are perfect. 2. Chamfer the cut ends and remove the old burrs from the end of pipe with a knife edge. Chamfering is 15 to 30 degrees. The wall thickness of edge of the chamfering is about 1/3 to half of the pipe. 3. Measure the socket depth and mark the socket end with a marking pen. 4. Clean the adhesive surface at the socket with a dry cloth. When oil is found, clean it with anhydrous alcohol or acetone. 5. Coat socket and spigot with a medium layer of cement. Immediately apply a full even layer of cement on pipe for a distance slightly greater than a depth of the fitting socket. Do not miss. 6. While the cement is still wet, immediately insert the pipe into the fitting with a steady, even motion until reach the marking and turn pipe 1/4 turn in the socket. Hold the pipe and fitting together firmly in position for 20 to 30 seconds. 7. Wipe the excessive cement from joint after assembly. It is not suitable for external force to act on the bonding part within 1 hour. The hydrostatic pressure test should be carried out after 24 hours.